In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Flashtime music in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily change the music that plays during Flashtime. All that you have to do is join the experience, go over to settings, and in here switch over to the sound effects tab, where you will find Flashtime music. Customize the music that plays whilst in Flashtime. So what you have to do is enter a sound ID in here. By default, it is going to be blank, aka 0, which means that it is the default music. So make sure that it is enabled. And now you need to find an ID for a specific song that you would like to play there. So what I recommend is that you use websites like these, or you look through videos on YouTube and so on. So for example, I went into robloxsong.com where you can find plenty of IDs, and then you just copy this ID here. You paste it here, and as long as the ID stays here and it isn't set to 0, it is going to work. So you can close this down, and when you enter Flashtime, the song will be playing. Now sadly, I am recording this without audio, so I can't demonstrate, but it is simple to do. And like I said before, you can either use a website like Roblox Song, where you have a bunch of IDs and you can search, or you can browse through TikToks and YouTube videos that make compilations including a bunch of sound IDs that you can use. And then you just copy the ID on these videos, and it's also going to work. It is up to you which option you would like to use, but as long as you copy a valid ID and you paste it inside of the game under the sound effect settings, that Flashtime music is going to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.